best thing to clean your blood. All right. All right. So first, make sure clean away some of these bush here from here. All right. So this is what we're looking for right here. It used to be more than this, but ever since the drought, poor maintenance, lost a lot of them. This right here is it's a key to purge your system, clean your blood, kill bacteria. Right, so this is it. Yeah. Father used to do most of the farming. I know I had some different stuff to worry about in my life, so that's why I didn't pick up. Grow. Get rid of some of this bush from around it. So as you can see, we got a few aloe vera here. It's 1, 2, 3. 4. We got I don't know if you guys can see, we got a few in here as well. Oh, there we go. I'm just gonna get rid of this limb right here. I don't believe in cutting down trees, but I'm just gonna remove this limb. Most of you guys don't know I'm surrounded by trees, man. I got no problem with trees though. I rather cut the bush, but not the trees. All right, so I think we're gonna need 3 pieces. So that's 1, 2. This one. Let's go with this one. All right, so this is what we need here. All this kid need is just some water and some rain. All right, so let's go. All right, so first off, make sure to wash them off. Two. All right, 3. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna cut them. This is the way I cut it. So I already got a cup of water here. I think 2 is all right though, but we're gonna try 3 of them. Most time, people would just cut them up, and just boil them. But I prefer to cut them up and just put them in the water to soak, and just drink it right after. So this is right here is best thing to clean your blood. All right, so here we go. So the top part of it is the most bitter part. So that's all we're gonna be using right now. So on to the next. Okay. So now we're just gonna let it soak to get real bitter. Then we're gonna stir it a bit. So I'll catch you guys right when it's ready to drink. All right. All right, guys. So it's been like 10 minutes now. All right. So now we're gonna drink it now. Right. Let's get it. All right. Don't forget to try this out. You know, it's a good method to clean your system, clean your body, clean your blood. Yeah, so remember, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, all right?